Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Instagram Collabs feature. Instagram offers you the ability to invite other users to be the collaborator on your feed post or Reels video. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and press on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Hit the post option. Then choose the photo or video from your camera roll that you want to upload to Instagram. Now you can edit it if you want. Click on the Tag People section. Tap the Invite Collaborator option and find the user who you would like to invite to be as another author of the post. Press on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner to save changes. Upload your post as you would normally do. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram Collabs feature. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.